Hello student, I'm Susil and in this video clip we discuss about delete mesh modifier. I create this model with the help of line tool and then apply extrude modifier. You can see here. If I want to delete any polygon from here, first I have to select that polygon, but I create this model with the extrude modifier. It's mean there is no polygon. So first I have to convert this model into a poly object. This time I apply another modifier, edit poly. After applying edit poly modifier, you can select vertices, edge, border, polygon. Now I select polygon. In case I want to delete this polygon or this polygon, you can simply select them and by pressing delete key you can delete them. But in case if you apply another modifier on the top of edit poly, so this technique will not work. First I undo and this time I apply another modifier on it, delete mesh. Simply type here and then click. If the polygons are selected, they will hide. If you want to hide other polygon like this, so go to edit poly. First I expand this, select polygon and then select these polygons also. You can see these polygon also got deleted. If you want to exit from the editing mode and then you click on the edit poly and then click outside, you can see that object got deleted also. If you want to get back that object, first enable the line and select that line and then select this polygon. Now this object starts showing on the viewport again. And in case if you want to apply another modifier on it, like shell modifier, so simply click here and find shell and then click. You can see polygons are there. Okay, we have to change the modifier stack order. So I click and hold on the shell and then move upside. Now you can see shell is properly applied. In case if you want to increase the amount, you can increase from here. So sometimes delete mesh modifier is very useful. I hope you like this modifier. If you want to watch other videos related to modifier, our playlist link available in the description or I button, so you can watch other videos. Like this video and subscribe our YouTube channel. Now we meet in the next class.